Did you all enjoy the Gongi video? I've gotten so many requests to show you how to make Ddakji, and while you can find plenty of tutorials on YouTube, I wanted to take things a step further. I'll show you 3 different ways to create your own professional-looking Ddakji. Are you up for the challenge? Let's start with the materials. You can use any kind of cardstock or paper you have around the house. If you use cardstock, your Ddakji will be more resistant and sturdy, while if you use paper, it will be more flexible. We're starting with the giant Ddakji, perfect for epic matches. You'll need 2 sheets of blue paper. And here comes the star trick. Laminating. Just like the school books. This will make our Ddakji super resistant. What other games from the series would you like me to make videos about in the future?
going crazy and also lazy. But you should meet me and my friends. Even though we got no money, for sure as hell funny. Yeah, everything's better with them. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. Waking up at sundown, the world's our playground, and we don't even have to pretend. Every time we're together, it doesn't get better, and every day's like a weekend. We're just like ooh, ooh, ooh. We don't worry about tomorrow. We just ooh, ooh, ooh. What we wanna do tonight. So don't tell me how to act or how I should be. All we wanted is to be free. We don't wanna be like you.
Let me know in the comments which of the 3 techniques you liked best. And now let's play. Remember, the key is aim and technique. Try to hit the center of the Ddakji. Don't get discouraged if you don't get it at first. Keep practicing and soon you'll be a real Ddakji master. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you're excited to make your own Ddakji. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more tutorials and share this video with your friends. See you soon.